The Aam Aadmi Party Delhi government and BJP-led centre will be sharing the stage at the inauguration of two major metro projects and the first segment of the Delhi-Meerut Regional Rapid Transit System. Prime Minister Modi is scheduled to inaugurate and lay the foundation stone of multiple development projects worth over 12,200 crore rupees. These include the 13-kilometre stretch of Delhi-Ghaziabad-Meerut Namo Bharat corridor between Shahibabad and New Ashoknagar worth 4,600 rupees, connecting it to the larger RRTS network between Delhi and Meerut. With this inauguration, Delhi will get its first Namo Bharat connectivity that will significantly ease travel between Delhi and Meerut. It will also be benefiting several people who wish to travel between Delhi and Meerut through high-speed and comfortable travel, along with safety and reliability. My colleague Shreya joins us with more details. Shreya, take us to the latest as far as the inaugurations that we can expect from today. One of the major ones is the RRTS.
Absolutely, Aarti. I am at the Japanese Park in Rohini, where Prime Minister Narendra Modi will be arriving and he will be addressing a public rally. Considering the Delhi Assembly elections are slated for next month, this kind of an arrangement is crucial for BJP. You can see this entire area is buzzing with excitement. A large deployment of Delhi police personals are also here. You can see a sea of posters and saffron flags that have been put up in support of the BJP, and considering that this assembly elections will be a true litmus test of popularity of the two mass leaders, first being Prime Minister Narendra Modi and Aam Aadmi Party chief Arvind Kejriwal. This kind of an election campaign is going to be exciting and crucial for BJP, considering it has been out of power for the last 25 years. You can see this entire area is completely full of security arrangements, and people will start coming in the next 30 minutes. This event is crucial because Prime Minister Narendra Modi will be inaugurating several projects worth rupees 12,200 crores, and will be inaugurating the Janakpuri Krishna Park section of Delhi Metro Phase 4. He will also be laying the foundation stone for the Rithala Kundli section of Delhi Metro Phase 4, and will be launching the Namo Bharat corridor connecting Sahibabad and New Ashoknagar. He himself will be undertaking a ride in this new Namo Bharat train. And remember, India has now become world's third largest metro network, covering almost 1,000 kilometers. And especially under the leadership of Prime Minister Narendra Modi, that India has become the world's third largest India metro network. So obviously this is going to be quite exciting, because this is major infrastructural development push that Prime Minister Narendra Modi will be doing today. And he will also be inaugurating a research institute on Ayurveda, Central Ayurveda Research Institute in Rohini itself. You can see people have started gathering here already, the BJP supporters. And at around 1 o'clock, Prime Minister Narendra Modi will be addressing a public rally here at Rohini Japanese Park.
Thank you for joining us and bringing us those details.